Hello everyone. So the next question, we have integral and we have to integrate it in a region which is nothing but the first octant bounded by the sphere x of radius 2 and center origin. Okay, so answer here, the region is S is first octant bounded by the sphere x square plus y square plus z square equal to 4. So that means if we take the xy plane, so the first octant means the z plane, which is where x is first octant means x greater than 0, y greater than 0, and z greater than 0. That means this, if you see here, it will divide the region into four parts. So above xy plane 4 and below xy plane 4 parts. So total there are 8 parts. That's why it is called as an octant. And first octant means the first piece. All right, so that means we have to take our region over here is nothing but a sphere, a spherical region. Suppose this is x, this is x, y, and z. So we are just considering in the first octant. All right, so something like this. So a spherical region where the upper boundary is x square plus y square plus z square equal to 2 square. All right, so this is the region. Okay, so basically if we take a semicircle, the right side of it is our region. Now for this, if we look the coordinate system, so we have spherical coordinates in this case. So we have x is equal to rho cos theta sine phi, y is equal to rho sine theta sine phi, and z is equal to rho cos phi. Alright, so where rho is nothing but the distance which covers from origin to the boundary of the sphere. Okay, so our rho is from 0 to 2. Alright, so we need to determine what will be theta and phi. So for that, we know for theta, we know that on xy plane, we require this much part, x and y. Right, so we can see that the theta is varying from 0 to pi by 2 degree. So for us, the angle theta will be from 0 to pi by 2. And for z axis, the phi angle, so we know that this angle is phi. And the phi angle from z axis to xy plane is again pi by 2. So from 0 to pi by 2. So along positive direction of z axis, if we see, it is starting from angle 0 and it will reach till xy plane. So the phi angle is also 0 less than phi less than pi by 2. And without fail, the Jacobian is rho square sine phi. Alright. And we need to integrate triple integration x, y, z. So that means we will do the change of variable. In that case, what we are going to get is a triple integral. So x, y, z will now become triple integral. So x becomes rho cos theta sine phi, y becomes rho sine theta sine phi, z becomes rho cos phi, and the Jacobian rho square sine phi without fail. Okay, and then we can take anything theta rho phi of any order. So here I will take theta, I will take phi first. So d phi, d theta, d rho. Alright, so this reduces to triple integral. So rho, if we see the total power of rho is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, right? So cube plus 2, so rho cube. Then we have theta, that is cos theta and sin theta. So we have cos theta, sin theta, and then we have cos square. So here we can see that we have sin, and sin. So sin cube phi, cos phi, d phi, d theta, d rho. Okay, so phi is varying from 0 to pi by 2. Theta is also from 0 to pi by 2. And rho is from 0 to 2. So we will integrate them one by one. So this becomes 0 to 2, 0 to pi by 2, rho cube, cos theta, sine theta as it is, and we have 0 to pi by 2 sine cube phi cos phi, and then we have d theta d rho. Alright, so now, if I take integral 0 to pi by 2 sine cube phi cos phi d phi, so here d phi, so what it will be, so put sine phi is equal to x, that implies cos phi d phi is equal to dx, and then we have to change the limit. So when phi goes to 0, this implies x will go to, from here will go to 0, and phi goes to pi by 2, that would imply x goes to 1. So if I put pi by 2, I'll get 1. Okay, so this will reduce to 0 to 1, and we will get x cube dx, and that is nothing but x raised to 4 by 4 from 0 to 1, or simply 1 by 4. Alright, so this integral value has 1 by 4, so I'll just remove it out. So this becomes equal to 1 by 4. So sorry, this is 5. So integral 0 to 2, 0 to pi by 2. So rho raised to 5, pi by 2. I'll take cos theta, sin theta inside, and then d theta d rho. Alright. So again, we know that how do we integrate cos theta, sin theta? So we just multiply and divide by 2, 0 to pi by 2, and that becomes half of integral 0 to pi by 2. This is sin 2 theta d theta, and that comes out to be 1 by 2 minus cos 2 theta by 2, 0 to pi by 2, and that is finally equal to minus 1 by 4 cos pi minus cos 0. Alright, so this is minus 1 by 4 minus 1 minus 1. So the total thing is half. Alright, so upper limit minus lower limit. So we get something like this. So again it will be 1 by 4 into 1 by 2 integral 0 to 2 rho raised to 5 d rho. So that is 1 by 8 rho raised to 6 by 6, 0 to 2. So that is 1 by 8 into 2 raised to 6 by 6. And that is nothing but 2 raised to 3 into, so if we cancel, so 2 raised to 3 into 2 raised to 3 by 8, I can write 2 raised to 3 into 6. So this gets cancelled. So that is 8 by 6, or simply I can write 4, 4 by 3. Alright, so that is the final answer. Okay, thank you.